Are you feeling stuck on your keto journey? You're counting carbs, tracking macros, and following the plan, but something still feels off. Here's a truth most people won't tell you. Keto success isn't just about what's on your plate. It's also about what's in your life. In this video, I'm going to show you why engaging in positive activities can help you stay on track, reduce cravings, and actually enjoy the process. Point number 1, positive activities reduce emotional eating. Let's talk about why we often reach for food even when we're not hungry. Emotional eating is truly real. Stress, boredom, loneliness, they can all trigger cravings. When you add positive, joyful activities to your life, things like walking outside, dancing to your favorite song, or spending time with friends and family, you fill those emotional gaps in a very healthy and meaningful way. When your mood is elevated, your stress goes down. And when stress goes down, cravings become easier to manage. You're not white-knuckling your way through keto. You're actually living a life that feels good and supports your goals. Point number 2, joyful habits boost motivation and energy. Have you ever noticed that the more fun that you're having, the more energy you seem to have? That's no coincidence. Joy boosts your dopamine levels, which increases motivation and drive. When you consistently engage in things that light you up, like the idea that you're engaging in your hobbies, involving yourself in nature, movement, or creative outlets, you reinforce the idea that you're thriving and not surviving. This mindset makes it easier to prep meals, stick to your goals, and actually want to keep going. Point number 3, happiness builds a sustainable lifestyle. Let's be honest, keto is not a quick fix. If you're in this for the long haul, you need a lifestyle that you love. When you prioritize joy and self-care, your keto journey becomes sustainable, not something you dread or burn out from. By incorporating activities that make you feel good, you begin to view your health journey as an act of self-love, not restriction. And that is a mindset that creates long-term results that are sustainable. So here's your takeaway. Keto isn't just about food, it's about building a life you enjoy. Add more joy, reduce stress, and watch how everything, including your health, starts to align. If this resonates with you, drop a comment below and tell me, what's one positive activity you're adding to your week? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this reminder. You deserve to feel good on this journey. Let's build that joy together. See you in the next video.